Hi, it's Mrs. Six. So I thought it would be easier to go through and just show you the grade book and what I'm seeing. I was going to try and do screenshots, but video is sometimes just way easier. Okay. So I'm just going to show you really quick that we're in his grade book. So when I go down to any of the 11 assignments, that we have. So this is the first one. So this is his submission. So when I click that, what happens is it takes me over to anything he's submitted for that. So here's his submission, and it was the one that he ended up getting a one for because it's blank. So if I open that up, what you're going to see is none of this is answered. So that's why it's considered blank, right? So, and there isn't a second submission or another one. So I know in your email you said that there was, but I don't have it in his Dropbox. So if it is completed, then absolutely submit it and I can grade. But it's not in there. So then the other one was the paragraph assignment. So, and the only one I have for that is the one that was a blank submission as well. So if you look and we open it up, so actually that's not a blank submission. That is the that is the other assignment, right? So the reason that there's no grade for this assignment is because it's submitted in the wrong Dropbox. So he submitted this in the paragraph assignment Dropbox. So what happens there is that each assignment attached to the grade book. So I can't grade this and put it back into that old Dropbox that we were in. So for this up here, it has to be submitted to this particular Dropbox. So that's why you're not seeing the grade change because it's not submitted to the correct Dropbox. So when he submitted this to the paragraph, that again gave him a one because he's submitting the wrong assignment to the Dropbox, to that particular Dropbox. I do want to let you know that as I'm looking through here, I'm trying to look. So I'm just trying to make sure he gets the highest grade on this as I'm looking through. Mature, focused enough, and being 11. Okay, so the only thing I'm seeing, da da da. Okay, so that top section is good. That second section is good. That section is good. And then that section is good. Okay, so for this assignment, he will get full credit, but he just has to submit it to the correct Dropbox. Okay, so make sure this is for the paragraph writing. So make sure that he is submitting it in this 11 characterization and point of view assignment. Okay, so make sure it's submitted there. Once he does that, I can easily go back in and change that. And then he does have permission to complete this assignment and submit it in the right Dropbox. So for this assignment, I'm going to pause for just a second. All right, sorry about that. I wanted to pull this up so he and you would know exactly what I'm referring to when I'm talking about the paragraph assignment. So this is the 11 one-pager. So the prompt is right here, what he would need to write about. And basically, we cover this in class together. I am on Wednesday. I'm going to show them a model of what this assignment should look like because they're getting ready to write another paragraph that's due this Friday for the most dangerous game. So when they're submitting the most dangerous game paragraphs, I want them to know exactly what they should anticipate and what their paragraphs need to look like. So if he wants to look at that on Wednesday, watch the recording, or of course, be in session, um, I am going to discuss that. But what's important to know about that is that it's an example paper, so he in no way can use or copy it. So it means that he still has to write his own original paper. It's just he can use that kind of as a guide, possibly, for something that if he would like to maybe model his paper after that, just formatting wise, that he would be able to do that. So this assignment obviously is completely different than the other one. It is a paragraph assignment. These are what he's being graded on. So he's being graded on actually kind of answering the prompt. He's being graded on making sure that there's textual evidence, that there's reflection or commentary, and that he's writing in third person. There are videos for this to show him. We did help sessions. We had class, I want to say it was last Wednesday. We covered this in class together. So he can always go back and look at the video for that if he has additional questions, or he can always meet with me if he would like to. So hopefully that clears things up and answers questions for you. If you have any thing else you are worried about or that you have questions about, just let me know. Thank you.